Alright, my first bird meter. Met with a guy a little bit ago and sold him an old tube amplifier. Old Gonset GSB 101, and I had another old 6-meter tube amp that was in rough shape. That I ended up trading him that amp for this bird meter, which I've been looking for one for a while now. eBay, there's tons of them, but I just kind of hadn't pulled the trigger. And I'm kind of glad that I waited, because I like this. I think this has been painted, the case, and line section looks kind of old. I don't know. But anyway, my first bird meter. I'm now a proud owner of a real meter. So I thought I'd just share that. Now I gotta get some slugs. But, yeah.